Yeah. Jaydeep, Ashutosh, turn on your video if possible, beta. Rameshwar. Yes, good. All right. So from yesterday, we were learning the comprehension part, so we will continue with the comprehension today as well, okay? Okay, please be ready with your notebook and all those things. I'll be giving you the remaining part of the comprehension. Okay, so yesterday we have seen till passage 4, but we have not discussed passage 4. So we will start with passage 4, okay? From passage 4, so please be ready. How to understand a comprehension, how to answer the options given from that comprehension is what we will be seeing this week. So let's continue with that. Over to passage 4 of the given comprehensions. Screen sharing के लिए I'm just sharing the screen. Can you all see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So yesterday we have just gone through this passage 4, and I told you this passage is about death. Okay, did everybody get a chance to go through the paragraph? So I'm giving you a few more minutes so that you can go through it alone. Those who couldn't read it or those who couldn't make it, okay, just read that paragraph again. Maybe one of you can read. The new person, Kiran, can you read it? Huh. Read it better, Kiran.
जी हाँ मैम.
Yes, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Passage 4, please start reading it.
All who have gone before you have submitted to the stroke of death. All who come after you shall undergo the same fate. The great and the good, the prince and the peasant, the renowned and the obscure travel like the road. क्या ma'am?
The renowned, and the obscure.
Obscure. Obscure travel like the road which leads to the grave. At the moment when you expire, thousands throughout the world shall with you be yielding up their breath. Can that he held to be a great calamity with which common to you with everything that lives on the earth, which is an event as much according to the course of the nature as it is that leaves shall fall in the autumn, or that fruits should drop from the tree when it is fully ripe.
Okay, beta, thank you. One more person, can you read? Ashutosh, please read better.
Okay. All who have gone before you have submitted to the stroke of death. All who come after you shall undergo the same fate. Same fate. The great and the good, the prince and the present. What, ma'am?
Peasant. The prince and the
Peasant,
peasant. The
the
renowned,
renowned and the
obscure.
obscure travel alike the road which leads to the grave. at the moment who have expired thousands throughout the world shall with you be yielding up their breath. Can can that be held to a great calamity which is common to you with everything that lives on earth, which is an event as much according to the course of the nature as it is that leaves shall fall in autumn, or that fruit should drop the tree when it is fully ripe. ripe.
Right. Okay, fully right.
Okay.
Okay, so this paragraph says that in spite of who you are, everybody has to face death one day. And since death is a natural phenomenon, you cannot escape from death. And the hard words, yesterday we have discussed, but still anybody finds it. So for the ones who are new, I'm telling you, once we read the paragraph, then I'll give you time to come up with all the hard words. Once you are done with the hard words, I'll give you its meaning in the chat. So once you know the meanings and once you know the idea of the paragraph, you will be able to answer the questions given. So this is the time. Anyone who find it difficult or hard words है तो अभी chat में देना है जल्दी. 3 minutes I'm giving you. Type it out. All the hard words that you find in this. जल्दी से जल्दी टाइप करो. Yes, very good. First one, somebody has given peasant. Peasant, it is not peasant. Some people are saying it is peasant. Peasant means farmer. Peasant means क्या है? Kisan, farmer. Now, renowned means famous. Renowned means क्या है? Famous. Very good. Next. Next word जल्दी से जल्दी type करो. So peasant means farmer, renowned means famous. और क्या है? जल्दी. I know there are बहुत सारा words है आपको नहीं जानने वाला. So please type it fast. Grave. Very good. Grave, the actual meaning of grave is हमारा this after your death, your dead body किधर हम ये करते हैं ना, उसको हम बोलते हैं grave. Place where dead body is Kabristan. Very good. Thank you so much, Rameshwar. Kabristan is called as grave. Autumn is a season. Kiran, autumn is autumn is a season. Spring, winter, summer, autumn. So that is a season. Hope you know that better. All right. Yes. And some people has given me with the answer. Yes, that is good. Renowned means popular. Obscure, not known or not having that clarity. That's known as obscure. Stroke is the past tense of strike. Marna, that is the meaning of strike or straw. Marna, I've just given it in Hindi itself. Yielding. There are two meanings: to produce, to desire earnestly, to give out. These are called yielding. Okay, note down all the meaning that you don't know. Calamity, again, disaster. Calamity is disaster. Okay, so all these words that you have asked, I think it's been covered. Now you can come to the paragraph. So all those who have gone before you, matlab kya hai? Don't take the literal meaning. The ones who have lived before you, they have all death se mara. Matlab, don't take the direct meaning. Death se mara, matlab, death doesn't have hands and legs. But since they all have died, that is the meaning of that, stroke of death. All who come after you shall undergo the same fate. आप और आपके पीछे कौन आने वाला है वो भी ये डेथ से जाना पड़ेगा. The great and the good, the prince and the peasant, वो राजकुमार है तो और राजा है तो और किसान है तो कोई भी हो और बहुत पॉपुलर सेलिब्रिटी है तो और कुछ जिंदगी में इतना क्लैरिटी नहीं है वाला तो सब मौत से एस्केप नहीं करेंगे. Travels to the कब्रिस्तान का वो रास्ता में चल रहे. At the moment when you expire, अभी आप मर जाते हैं तो thousands throughout the world shall with you be yielding up their breath. Okay, at the moment when you expire, thousands throughout the world shall with you be yielding up their breath. अभी आप मर जाते हैं तो भी आपके साथ, you don't know, in this whole world, whole wide world, there are 1,000 other people who are dying along with you in other continents and other parts of the world. They are also giving out their breath like you. Okay? Then, which is an event as much according to the course of nature as it that the leaves shall fall in autumn. So there are different seasons in the world and spring, summer season, summer season, autumn and rainy. So autumn season में हमेशा क्या होता है? Autumn is the season which is also known as the fall. पूरा पत्ता leaves नीचे गिरता है. Okay, पूरा पत्ता नीचे गिरता है. That is the season of autumn's speciality. So ये मौत और जिंदगी जाना वो autumn season से हमेशा सब लोग और especially the poets and all people compare. जिंदगी भी जाता है just like autumn season में leaves जाता है जैसे. So just like that, that is what the final sentence is all about. Course of the nature as it there's leaves shall fall in autumn or that fruit should drop from the tree.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Okay, just like that, मनुष्य भी ऐसा है. Okay, आदमी भी ऐसा है. One day when he becomes fully ripe, he will also fall down from this planet. That is the meaning of this entire passage. I think it's more than clear. I have explained, I think maybe thoda sa extra. So you can easily come up with the answer. First one. Ashutosh, can you read the question and figure out the answer? Ashutosh, can you hear me? Hello, Ashutosh nahi hai kya? No, Ashutosh is not connected. Ayush, aap bolo beta.
Yes, ma'am. Death is a natural phenomena because the moment you die, thousands of. Do I have to read the options as well?
The death is a natural phenomenon because the
Ma'am,
moment
do
you
I-
die, thousands of people. No, it is a
No, no.
natural phenomenon because it is natural का एक option है ना बेटा, just as it is given in
Ma'am,
the Bible.
option B. I'm saying option
हाँ.
B.
It is as natural as the fall of leaves of fruits from the trees. Death एक natural process है. So natural बोलने के लिए क्या है natural? हाँ, जैसे एक फल tree से गिरता है, just like that, death भी naturally होता है. Okay? So that is the option. Any confusion in that now?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Second one, the author compared death with the fall of the ripe fruit from a tree to show that death occurs in nature also, is a kind of fall from a great height, gives freedom from the ordeals of life. Ordeals means problems and difficulties and things in life. That is called ordeals of life. Occurs with the achievement of fullness. हाँ, ध्यान से क्वेश्चन पढ़ना है. It looks like easy, but ध्यान से सुनो. Author compares death with the fall of a ripe fruit. क्यों इधर का author ripe fruit का fall से death को compare किया? Okay, question ध्यान से सुनो. Ripe fruit का fall से death को क्यों compare किया? Which option is correct? Ripe fruit का significance क्या है? Occurs in nature. सिर्फ occurs in nature बोलने के लिए ripe fruit का क्या जरूरी है? सिर्फ fruit fall करना है वो भी बोलते हैं तो चलेगा. So option A नहीं है. Is a kind of fall from great height. बहुत ऊपर से नीचे गिरता है. नहीं. So छोटा plants के लिए इतना height नहीं है. So वो भी बराबर नहीं है. Gives freedom from the ordeals of life. एक freedom दिखाने के लिए ripe fruit के बारे में बोला. No, freedom और ripe fruit के बारे में संबंध नहीं है. Next, occurs with the achievement of fullness. हाँ, उनका fullness तक हुआ. छोटे स्टेज से उसका full maturity level और full growth तक हुआ. वो दिखाने के लिए ripe fruit के बारे में बताया. So which option is correct when it comes to life and ripe fruit? Which option? जल्दी से जल्दी बताओ. I think
Option
it's
D.
easy now.
Fourth number, ma'am. D.
Option?
D.
Option D. है ना? Occurs with the achievement of ripened fruit shows the fullness. कब एक फल ripen होता है उसका last stage तक वो बड़ा होता है, that is when it becomes ripened. Just like that, human beings also when they reach the last level, till the last level, they will die. Okay, now the next question. Which one of the following sentences shows that death is a great leveler? Now, what do you mean by leveler? What do you mean by leveler? Any idea? Leveler मतलब क्या है? Easy, something which levels up. Okay, हम different levels में है, लेकिन एक बात हम सबको एक लेवल में करता है. Okay, that बात is called as the leveler. So we are from, see इस पैराग्राफ में हम देखा ना, प्रिंस है, फार्मर है, वो सब different levels में है, लेकिन वो सब लेवल को एक लेवल बनाते हैं. क्या? मौत. Death will make all levels into one level. Leveler है, सब levels को वो ऊपर नीचे सब छोड़ते एक level में सबको मिल जाता है. So that is a leveler. So how can you understand that death can level everything? Which option is correct? Kiran, can you say that answer? सब पोजीशन के व्यक्तियों को मौत एक तरीका से लेवल करता है. Which option gives that? It's easy. Jaydeep can answer. Jaydeep, answer. Jaydeep. Ari Patil, please answer. Okay, Jaydeep has given the option in chat. Option A. How can it be option A, Jaydeep? मैंने क्या बोला, आप ध्यान से नहीं सुना है क्या बेटा? देखो, सब तरीका से जब people को, those who are in different levels, all those people को मौत के सामने वो सब एक जैसे बन जाता है. Yes, option B is the correct answer. You can see the great and the good, prince and the peasant, renowned and the obscure, travel alike the road which leads to the grave. So different तरीका के जन है. Great people है, good people है, prince है, farmer है, famous people है, obscure people है, वो सब एक ही जगह पे जाता है. So that is the line which shows that mouth is a great leveler. Death level करता है, सबको एक ही level में bring करता है, लाता है. Okay, so option B. Jaydeep, did you understand why is it like that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now moving on to the next passage. I want everybody to dhyan se read this and come up with your own answer. First of all, after reading this, you will have to give the hard words. Okay, that's how we're going to learn it. I'll read it once for you. After that, some people from you can read. I was late bloomer and always envied those people who stood out in high school because I didn't. I learned early on, although that it's essential to set yourself apart from the group. Life is one struggle after another to succeed, particularly when you are starting out. If your biodata is sitting at the bottom of a pile of junk mail, sometimes a distinctive approach will get you noticed, especially if the competition is fierce. Once my partner Jerry and I asked the other freelance writers of a TV serial what characters they hated to write for the most. Everybody said the same thing. They disliked writing for the minor characters because they thought that writing for them wouldn't help them to get their jobs, get other jobs. Jerry and I decided that we would write scripts for the minor character because that's what was needed and we needed to set ourselves apart. In the first script, Jerry and I wrote a schoolgirl falls in love with a boy in her class. The producers loved the story, and with that one script, Jerry and I were no longer just another comedy writing team. Okay, so this passage is more or less like an experience of a person who was once nobody but had the skill of writing, who tried a lot but never got anywhere. But finally, he did a different approach. He followed what his mind asked him to do, and finally, he has succeeded. Okay, so it is just mentioned as I, only his friend's name is mentioned as Jerry. So this I is saying the story of himself. So I would like few people to read it. First of all, I would like Jayadeep to start with it. Jayadeep, please read it, beta. Jayadeep. Jayadeep, unmute your mic and please read. I heard your voice though, so that's why I'm saying, okay, Jaydeep is not there in the class. Akshat, can you please read? Akshat, can you please read? No response. Who is Himanshu? I have never seen Himanshu in my class. Kuntal Mali, can you read? And who is this R&B? I always tell you, please write your full name.
I read, ma'am.
Kiran. Okay, Kiran, I thought I'll give somebody else a chance. You have already read better. That's why I didn't ask you. But appreciate your enthusiasm. Ramesh, read it better.
Yes, ma'am. Passage 5. I was late bloomer and always arrived. And why those
Arrived
people
nahi hai beta, envied. Bolo, envied.
envied those people who stood out in high school because
Huh.
I
Who
didn't.
stood out? Stood out should come in one voice. Okay, stood out nahi hai, stood out.
Who stood out in high school because I didn't. I learned early on, although, that it's essential to set ourselves apart from the group. Life is one struggle after another to succeed, particularly when you are starting out. If your biodata is sitting at the bottom of a pile of junk mail, sometime a destructive approach will get you. noticed, especially if the competition is fierce.
Fierce. Huh.
Fierce. Once my partner Jerry and I asked the other writer of
Freelance.
a
Freelance writers.
freelance freelance writers of a TV serial what character they hated to write for the most. Everybody said this same thing they disliked writing for the mirror character because
Minor characters.
minor character because they thought that writing for them wouldn't help them to get other jobs. Jerry and I decided that we would write scripts for the minor character because that's what was needed and we need to set ourselves apart. In the first script, Jerry and I wrote a schoolgirl falls in a love with a boy in her class. The producers loved the story, and with that one script, Jerry and I were no longer just another comedy writing team.
T. Okay, thank you. Now is the time to come up with new words or new vocabularies that you are not familiar with. Please type it out soon in another 5 minutes. All the words which are new to you, which you are not familiar with, write it fast. Okay, Kiran, it's not envied. It's, I think you meant envied. Now, envy means jealous. Okay, jalan ho raha hai na? That is what is envy. So this is envy's past tense is envied. Okay, so that meaning is jealous. Good. ऐसे बाकी भी सब लोग जल्दी से जल्दी find out the meaning that you don't know and write it out. Bloomer, very good. See, that bloomer word is like a phrasal verb there. Okay? Late bloomer is the word that you need to take it together. Late bloomer. That is a phrase with which you can make sentence. Late bloomer means understand things slowly. Understand things slowly. Or in terms of study, you can say that not very bright in studies. Not very bright in studies. Okay, इतना दिमाग नहीं है. That is called late bloomer. Understand things slowly. Now, bloom is the process of flowers bloom. Okay, bloom means to open up, to come out. That is called bloom. Now, this late bloomer मतलब अंडरस्टैंडिंग थिंग्स स्लोली को हम वो दिखाने के लिए रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए वे यूज करने वाला फेज है लेट ब्लूमर. अभी समझ में आया? लेट ब्लूमर मतलब somebody who is not so great in studies. Now stood out. So late bloomer जानते हैं तो ये stood out भी आप जानना सकते हैं. Stood out is another phase, means outstanding performance. Stood out means very bright and smart. Very bright and smart people को हम बोलते हैं they stood out in the class means they were either first or they were so energetic or they were so good in saying all the answers. Such people, we can use the phrase they stood out in class. सो इधर ये उधर बोलते हैं कि वो एक लेट ब्लूमर था, मतलब क्या है, वो इतना स्मार्ट नहीं था एंड उनको हमेशा ये स्टैंडिंग आउट बच्चों को देखे जलन हो जाता है. Okay, that is what the meaning there. Then the other word is freelance. Freelance means doing something which is not out of commitment. That is known as freelancing. Freelance means doing खुद का job, doing job according to one's will. Take down all these meaning that I'm writing in the chat, okay? Okay, I'm writing it. So please, you also write it all. Kiran, are you writing it better? Just now I have given freelance. Oh, okay, direct message. Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Hope you are writing this.
Yes.
Okay, almost all the words is coming. Nobody has asked this word. Everybody knows this word.
Which word, ma'am?
Fears, fears. No, fierce is actually strong or intense. Fierce को A भी meaning होता है, strong or not fear बेटा, strong or intense. बहुत ज्यादा है, that is the meaning of fierce. Okay. Now if you see, you must be knowing most of the words. Write down all the meanings that I've given in the chat. Now, one by one, you have to tell me the answer. I'm giving you 5 minutes. Everybody go through it, mark your own answer, then I'll discuss. Everyone, find out the answer. Now you know all the word meanings. Now you know what the paragraph is about. I have explained. Now it's easy to find the answer. 15, 16, 17, 18. Find out the answer.
Done, ma'am.
Done? Shall we start discussing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First question. I want everybody, see, if I ask, no, nobody will answer. So when I read the question, I want you to type your options in the chat. Okay? So everybody, those who cannot speak and come to the camera, they can also chat. So I want everyone's answer. Ha ha. Right now there are only 7 people in the class, so it's easy to have the answer. So question number 15. The author is of the opinion that author का opinion क्या है as per this group? Look at the first paragraph, you will get the answer. One should be part of the group. One should be different from others. It is important to do well in high school. One should need to the advice of seniors. क्या है first one का answer?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, I have got your answer. Only one answer I have got. Remaining 6 answers. Type in your option fast. Which is the answer? Fast, fast type karo. Type it fast. All right, in the chat, only Rameshwar has given the answer. So it's option B. What is option B? One should be different from others. All right, it is clearly stated in the first paragraph. If you see in the second line, I learned early on, although that is essential to set yourself apart from the group. To set oneself apart from the group means to be different from others. All right. Going to the second question. Very good. Ayush has given the answer already. Let's see what's the answer. I have got different answers. The author had been into advertising business, a comedy writer, a music director, a news reader. Okay. Yesterday itself, I told you they will give you options which can confuse you, which is not from the passage. So don't go for that ever. Only go for the ones which is clearly with the passage. All right, let me see the answers. Okay. Yes. Ayush, where is it seen that he's a music director, beta? I can't even see anything related to music in this passage. Ayush, how did you say that he's a music director? Where is it written that it is music director, beta? Is nothing to do with music. He's into advertising business? No. He's a writer. Okay, that is what we can see. A comedy writer. Newsreader bhi nahi hai. The most closest option is a writer, a comedy writer. Option B is the correct answer. Okay, Ayush? I'm wondering why you got confused. Ayush, can you listen? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Where did you get the idea of music? Are you listening to
Ma'am,
some?
I wanted to write B only. I forgot. I wanted to write B only.
Oh, okay, okay. I thought that would have been a typo. Fine. Third one. According to the author, order इस passage के अनुसार, one should be very meticulous in preparing his biodata. Meticulous means what? एकदम perfect. Meticulous means एक भी mistake नहीं होना है, ऐसा होना है biodata prepare करने में. और competition in the job market is very strong. Job market में competition बहुत fierce है, ये बोलते हैं paragraph में. One should follow a conservative approach in preparing his biodata. Biodata prepare करने के समय एक traditional method और सब follow करना वो method ही follow करना है. इस passage में क्या बोलते हैं? That is what we need to know. Finally, one should try to get noticed by being innovative. थोड़ा सा notice आपको चाहिए तो दूसरा आपको biodata notice करने हैं तो क्या करना है? थोड़ा सा innovative बनाता है. Innovative means क्या है? Innovative को कैसे explain करेंगे? You should be more and more innovative means you should be creative, है ना? We will say the word creative and innovative. So that is how you need to prepare your biodata. No, beta. I think Ayush is getting confused with passages. Comprehension के लिए आप इतना problematic है क्या बेटा? हमेशा you give. ये देखो, according to the author, one's biodata should not be following any traditional methods. सब क्या follow करता है ऐसे follow करना है. That is called conservative approach. वो नहीं करना है. Option C is not the answer. जॉब मार्केट में कंपटीशन फियर्स है वो अभी बोलने का जरूरी क्या है बायोडेटा कैसा है दैट इज व्हाट वी आर एक्सप्लेनिंग वन शुड बी वेरी मेटिकुलस बायोडेटा एकदम परफेक्ट करना है लेकिन वो ऑथर ने नहीं बोलते लुक एट द लास्ट ऑप्शन इनोवेटिव बायोडेटा होना है दे शुड बी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम व्हाट अदर्स आर डूइंग दैट इज व्हाट अ ऑथर शुड बी डूइंग ऑलराइट सो 17th ऑप्शन इज डी Option 17 is D. Rameshwar also has gone wrong. Maybe it's little confusing. Since you have seen the word fears and all, immediately you will say that, that is what in the. Yeah, even if you get confused, it is right to get confused between option B and D. Okay? सबको वो confusion होता है. लेकिन हम इधर competition job market एक thing भी उधर नहीं आता है. सो फियर्स आता है वो किस कंपटीशन में है जॉब मार्केट के नहीं डायरेक्ट नहीं बोला सो वी कैन नॉट टेक द ऑप्शन बी ओके वन शुड ट्राई टू गेट नोटिस बाय बीइंग इनोवेटिव दैट इज व्हाट द ऑथर डिड उन्होंने सब मेन कैरेक्टर का डायलॉग लिखना था मेन कैरेक्टर्स का राइटिंग सबको पसंद था लेकिन माइनर कैरेक्टर्स को स्क्रिप्ट किसी को नहीं लिखना था सो ऑथर और जरी ने वो एरिया चूज किया सो दे ऑलवेज थॉट डिफरेंट okay so he's a person who thinks different and he wants or he tells us our biodata should be little innovative okay so that is why it is option D. Coming to the last question. Jury and the author wrote script for the minor characters. क्यों लिखा? It is SI given here. Look at second paragraph. See, if you see second paragraph, इधर देखो. Everybody said that minor characters because they thought it. I decided that we would write script for the minor characters because ये देखो, that is what was needed and we needed to set ourselves apart. We need to set ourselves apart मतलब क्या है? We need to set ourselves apart मतलब में हमारे को things different करना set ourselves apart means हमारे को एक different image देना था that is the meaning of set ourselves apart ये देखो it is given now look at the option which will be the right option very easy I've already told you which is the right option 18th question के लिए very good Raveshwar has got it anybody else Ayush beta which is the answer Ayush has left the class no is this the answer beta Ayush to establish a different image that is option C okay they started or they have gone for writing scripts for the small characters because they wanted to do things differently and they want to establish a different image it is straight away given here like they will needed to set ourselves apart okay everybody has taken down I'm just giving you a few more minutes so that you can take it down just let me know if you have finished writing Finish writing, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. So hope you all are doing what you were supposed to do. And I think soon we can meet. Okay, at that time, please make sure that all your notebooks are ready. I'm giving you time to prepare. All the notebooks will be checked. So please prepare your notebooks. And also from the beginning itself, I have given you assignment. Ayush always tells me he is done with these many words of verbs and all. Good for him. I'll check with others as well. V1, V2, V3 of every day, you need to learn at least 3 words. So how many V1, V2, V3 you have learned so far? That also I'll be checking. So make sure that you are doing all those stuff. Your notebooks should be complete. V1, V2, V3 of at least every day 10 words. The one who has joined new today, he has gone. Fine. So all these people, your V1, V2, V3, your notebooks, everything has to be clear, and we'll see you soon. Bye, everyone.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Will the notes be, matlab like, will the same lectures be conducted again in the offline mode?
Same lectures. We'll see to it better.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
How many new students or someone who is has not attended the class comes and all those things.
Okay,
I
ma'am.
think we have written most of the notes, and I believe that your notes are clear, because every time we are writing the note, I have been informing you, this will be checked, and I have given you enough time to write the notes and all. Remember? Enna Rameshwar?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I should see that in the note. All right then. See you. Bye-bye.
Good afternoon. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Beta.